All of us have come over here to venerate the relics of our dear St. Francis Xavier, one who brought the faith to us, to Goa, to West India, western part of India, and to India, and of course also he went to Japan and wanted to go to China. Reading his letters to his superiors, he speaks of the ardent desire he had of going to the universities in Paris where he was studying before, and to shout over there that you're wasting your time. You're studying so much of literature, other arts and sciences. Learn about Jesus. Speak about Jesus. Receive the message of Jesus. Francis Xavier was a man who was passionate about spreading the knowledge of Jesus, spreading the love of Jesus. He had acquired this passionate love, reading the Gospels, praying to Jesus. As we read his life, we know that at the beginning he was very keen on really achieving fame, getting money, being powerful, noble. But then suddenly when Ignatius told him, his friend and his superior told him, what does it profit a man if he gains the whole world but suffer the loss of his soul? All of us have heard that so very often, but doesn't make that much of an impact. I wish it does on us, on me and on all of us. But he was transformed, and his heart was full of love for Jesus. His heart was full of love for people whom he wanted to share the good news.